MIT, or frankly, any university, is in an implicit contract with industry. Our job together is to educate young people and to help them find productive careers that are benefiting society. Our biggest impact at MIT is the people that we graduate. And we can do them a better service. We can help improve what they learn while they're in the ivory tower. We can help them better understand the different opportunities that are available to them after they graduate. If we further connect their experiences while at MIT with industry, if we further connect the opportunities that faculty can bring to the students, the perspectives that faculty can bring to the students, if further informed by the needs of industry, of what industry is seeing as interesting challenges, there's an opportunity to improve our implicit collaboration, to make it explicit, to make sure that we have constantly a strong connection with companies that are going to be eventually the employers of our students, but that we want to make sure that we're preparing our students for the careers that are available now and for the future. The MECI Alliance, as part of mechanical engineering, is really looking at how do we improve broadly our support of our students, of our alumni, and our connections with industry. So the opportunity that we have for better educating our students, one of the opportunities is to collaboratively design experiences, projects that a student would do in a company, where they'll have both a company supervisor and colleagues they're working with in the company, but also the advice and supervision of faculty at MIT. Now, this provides a benefit to the student in improving their awareness of opportunities once they graduate. It informs potentially what they're going to do for their research, but it also provides a lot of value to the company. They have an opportunity to have not only the student executing a project, they have the opportunity to get additional advice from the faculty members that are supporting them. It provides a recruiting opportunity for the student. And then just the process of defining these projects, of working together to support the student in the execution of the project, further strengthens the relationship between individuals in the company and individuals at MIT. Because ultimately, what that relationship, that building of a relationship allows us to do is when that company now is confronted with a very challenging problem that would require several years of research, they don't necessarily have to go, well, who do I go talk to find out how I could potentially solve this problem? They have a handful of relationships at MIT with people that they've worked with, both students and faculty, to make it easier for them to know who to reach out to address the things that aren't immediate and in the line of fire, but are research opportunities that further inform their future products. And that organic process, building on the backbone of our students, leverages that and builds on that natural interface between academia and industry, and strengthens it. And it provides a benefit to the student, to the company, and to the faculty at MIT. Our approach for collaborating with industry within the MECI Alliance is relatively new. It's several months old. We're intending to pilot the first set of projects this coming June. We're identifying now a handful of companies that either have some experience in collaborating with MIT or have expressed a very strong interest to do so. What we will do between now and February is work with the companies to define seed concepts what the project may be, recognizing that once an individual, a student, and a faculty member is involved with that project and talking about it in more detail with the company, it will evolve. The opportunity now is to be able to define, here are the types of challenges that we would like a student from MIT to work on, to advertise those opportunities at the beginning of the year, and then to have those students be at the company starting in June. The mechanism of doing this has been informed significantly by some of our prior experiences in the Master of Engineering and Design and Manufacturing program, where we would establish a company-based project executed by a group of 3 students, but very constrained just to manufacturing challenges, manufacturing projects. The MECI Alliance the projects are available to all of our graduate students. We want this to be an opportunity for every single graduate student that comes through the department at MIT. It's not a requirement, but it's certainly in the future, I hope it will become a selling attribute of what it means to be a graduate student in mechanical engineering. That in addition to doing your on-campus research, that as part of your thesis, as part of your experience in the execution of your learning, both your coursework and in your research, that an industry-based project, either for a summer or a summer and a semester, helps to educate you, helps to inform part of your thesis, and helps to provide better decision-making for you as you look for a job.